Velocity time graphs. Velocity time graph is used to find the displacement or distance covered by the body and acceleration of the body. Displacement or distance is given by the area under the curve, and acceleration of the body is given by slope of the graph. Now velocity time graph. Time is an independent variable, so we'll take time on x-axis. Velocity is a dependent variable, so we'll take velocity on y-axis. So first case is when body is moving with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means body is covering equal distances in equal time interval along a same direction. Means body is moving along a straight line and the distance covered is also equal. Means velocity of the body is constant. Velocity is not changing. Time on x-axis, velocity on y-axis. This is origin. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now body is moving with uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. Means velocity of the body is constant. At first second body is moving with velocity 30 meter per second. Next second पे भी body is moving with velocity 30 meter per second. Again 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. So graph will be a straight line parallel to time axis. So graph of uniform velocity will be a straight line parallel to x-axis. Now you have to find displacement covered by the body. So we'll take 2 points, any 2 points we'll take A and B. It means we will find the displacement covered by the body during this motion from point A to point B. So first step is you have to take a portion of the graph. We have taken AB. Second step is you have to draw perpendicular to x-axis. Always try to take general value. Like I have not taken 1 or 4. I have taken general value. So this point will be T1 and this point will be T2. We'll name this point C and D. Now the displacement will be the area under this graph. मतलब AB के अंदर जो area आ रहा है time axis के साथ, that will be the displacement. It means you have to find this area. Now you know this is a rectangle, so you have to find area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So area of ABCD is equal to length into breadth. AB into AC. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to CD और CD क्या है? T2 minus T1. So AB की value is T2 minus T1. What is the value of AC? AC is this velocity. कहाँ से start हुआ? C point is at 0 and A point will take this as let's say V. We are taking a general value V. So AC की value क्या हो जाएगी? V. So what is the area under this graph? V into T2 minus T1. So displacement or distance is equal to velocity into time, or we can say distance is equals to speed into time.